You guys, I made my plate in my favorite bowl. And again, like I said, that you keep watching this video, you can see how I prepare, my morning breakfast. Okay, it's the same pattern that I did a couple of days ago. Because I put syrup on. You probably can't see it, but I did put syrup on my bacon. And the only thing that um, when you see the 2 days that I cook, I didn't cook the sausage for my last couple of days of my breakfast. I just cooked this today, but I did, cook eggs as well. But this only two that I put on my breakfast. I cooked for my breakfast this morning. But it's the same thing. You could tell that syrup. Because as you can see. And that's it. So again, like I said, just keep watching this video. I said in this video that I was just gonna show you guys, how I put it on my plate. But like I said, it's in a container. Okay, so again, you guys could get. You know what? If you guys ever cook bacon, this is so good when you add syrup on it. Oh my God! You guys get that first bite. And it tastes some of the softness. I love it. I guarantee. Um, we give you a bite because in the last couple of videos I made my breakfast. I already gave you guys a bite. But this is the organic. Tradition pork sausage. There you go. You guys could get that bite. Got it. Take my bite. I don't know why this look like it's not done. I don't know, is it because of the lighting? But it is done. Let me see some. Let's go like that. You see? I think I might have it up a little bit. But yeah, it's done. See? All right, I'm going to get out of here. And y'all continue watching the video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. But keep watching this video. Okay? I'm going to finish eating my breakfast. All right. Bye-bye. Good morning. Welcome back to my cooking channel, you guys. Breakfast, anybody? You guys think so? Oh, I haven't had this salsa pan in a minute. And so I'm going to have it's called a big breakfast. Just bacon, potato, sausage. Yeah. And this is the name of it, the package. And this is the tradition pork sausage. Yeah. And I did have some leftover bacon. So I'm gonna have me a big breakfast this morning. And then I'm gonna do some egg. Give me some couple of eggs. Have to put it off. Couple of eggs. And like I said, I had cooked this. You know why it look like that? Cause it's cold. I just kind of put it on the first refrigerator, but this is the bacon. Yeah, just real cold. Yeah. Cause when you cook bacon, you know how sometimes when it get cold, it'll have that kind of on it. But that, yeah. But yeah. So next time, the next will be everything. Cause this is all what I just want to come and show you the main. You know, this is different right here. But I've been cooking this for the last 2 days. But yeah. And I got my potatoes, my diced potatoes in my air fryer. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my potato. Show you guys real quick. And I like to put foil in it because then after it's been cooking for about, I'm gonna say about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna just open it like that. That's how I cook my diced potatoes. Okay? Boil, boil, boil. This is what you call the big breakfast. I guarantee. And fold it back up. I just want to show you guys, how it looks. Okay? And I got about 7 more minutes. You guys, I love the smell of the breakfast bacon. Oh my God, it smells so good. But I just put it together because this is a big pan, and sometimes it takes, if I spread it out like that, sometimes it takes longer for the outside of the stuff. So that's why I do that. And I should have put some oil on the bottom, but that's okay. It look like, and I have to just keep flipping. And you guys, this might be some good, because it did say tradition for sausage. So, have you noticed that it ain't got a lot of grease? And that's good. You know what I'm saying? That's really, really good. But I might kind of oil a little bit. Like just kind of let that get that golden brown. Yeah, but there must be some good sausage. Okay, it's not done yet because I'm gonna go put some oil in the pan because it kind of smoke like. See how I took it out? So I'm put some oil. And that's the oil I'm gonna put in the pan. I love this oil. Okay, that's the kind of oil. So I'm gonna take one sausage, just kind of, get it toasted with the olive oil. Okay. Okay. So see how I did it. I'm sorry about that. And this is what I did. I just kind of take some of the olive oil, just kind of make sure it get in the middle like that. See? That's all I did. Kind of spreading around. All right. I'm gonna finish cooking it. Oh, you guys, and again, I'm not gonna eat all this. I just probably eat 2. So some people say, she gotta eat all that? No, come on, man. I'm just cooking for the next day. I don't have to worry about cooking them when I cook my breakfast. Now you guys, you see how I turn? That's the color I want. See? You have to have a little oil to, have it brown and golden brown. Yeah. And then sometimes make sure the sides get done. Sometimes go like that. Okay? Guys, I got everything cooked except my eggs. Now, I'm about to pour my coffee, make my coffee, then I'll do my eggs. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. Have to go up here. See what I'm doing. Trying to show you guys how I pour my coffee. Let's see. So I pour my coffee. Ooh. And I used to put what I add to my coffee. I used to add cream and sweetener. I'm gonna show you guys how my breakfast look. Well, this, you know, I already know that I cooked this. This from, I already cooked it. This from last time. And this is how my sausage look. And this is how my hash brown look. Cause I will have plenty for tomorrow as well. Okay. And my 2 eggs. And normally, what I probably do, I don't like to cook a lot of egg, but I will have plenty of the sauce and stuff. But see, you can see in the next clip, you know, when I put everything on my plate. Okay? Good hearty breakfast, I guarantee. And the next clip will be when I show you my plate. Alright, so you see how I prepare my breakfast. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Just show them what. And then you guys saw in the last clip how I did my eggs, so that's what I'm not showing. You know, just go back and look how I did my eggs. But anyway, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up and also subscribe. If you don't mind, I really appreciate it. If you guys are always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, it don't cost you nothing. Just hit that subscribe button and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And this is the end of my video, you guys. Okay? And the first clip will be when I'm eating my breakfast. And sometimes I would say, you know, I would say like, I'm not gonna say when I make my plate, you guys can already say it in this video, like, subscribe, comment below, and keep your notification bell. I'm not gonna say that when I make my plate on the first clip, okay? So until then, again, I will see you guys in the next long video. Bye-bye.